Yo, what's up guys? G here, back with another video. So one's gonna just be a nice chill casual live stream. We're gonna go over some stocks to maybe watch this tomorrow on trading day, but I do want to first talk about the stock market and just give you guys some quick updates, and then we'll take a look at the SPY chart, and then we'll take a look at a few stocks. If you guys want to support my channel, just please simply hit the like button for me. And that would definitely help me out a lot. So I do appreciate everybody doing that for me. And let's go ahead and just talk about today. We had Fed decision rate hike today. The stocks actually fell because basically Powell was remaining bearish going into next year. So we did get the expected raise interest basis point, which was 50. So now we're currently like at 4.25 to 4.5 since that's going to be the final one for this year. So that's, I guess, bullish. Everything was in line. But that doesn't mean that it's over for interest rate hiking for next year. And also that there's no sign of pivot just yet. Some people were even saying they won't pivot until 2024. So some of that stuff came in very hawkish or bearish for the market. But I think there is some room for the upside, just depending on how some of the data that comes out tomorrow. So that's really why I want to get into today. There's a pretty good opportunity that we either gap up or gap down, and that's going to really depend on the data that comes out tomorrow. So I've already got some of the calendar stuff pointed out. December 15th on Thursday, tomorrow. We've got the continuing jobless claims that's going to come out, initial jobless claims, core retail sales, and then we also have the Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. So all these numbers are going to be pretty important. You can see these are going to be the forecasts here, and those are going to definitely, oh, and we also have retail sales down here. I forgot to mention retail sales. So all of this is going to actually happen before the market. So I do think this is going to either gap ups up or gap ups down, because at the end of the day, what Powell was basically saying is he's going to leave it up for the market and the data to decide what continues to go down as far as interest rates and stuff. But I will say, let me go back to this one article that I was talking about. He seemed pretty hawkish going into next year and stuff. While it was good to see inflation come down in these last 2 months, the Fed will need to see a few more signs over a longer period time frame so that we can know inflation is under control before a full pivot. So that itself right there is basically telling you the story. Even though inflation and CPI and all that, the data was coming out pretty good. So CPI rose at an annual 7.1 from last month. So as we know, on Thursday we had CPI come out and people were like super bullish because it came in lower than expected. But he's basically re-emphasizing that, hey, we've got, two good numbers come out over the last 2 September and October and stuff, but we still need more data. It's just not enough to actually confirm that inflation's in control, right? So, and here's basically backing some of that up. So, fresh economic forecast from Fed accompanying the decision show officials now see benchmark interest rates peaking at a medium of 5. This is bearish. 5.1 in 2023, right? So that means there's no stopping in sight. So we're gonna at least get about almost another interest point, I would say. That's just the median, right? So 50 basis point higher than the previous projected 4.6 in September. So again, raising the interest rates projections. Officials then see rates coming down to 4 in 2024. So this is when we'll start seeing interest rates hikes, and maybe like a sign of relief for companies that are basically in debt and stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much covers everything. We're low-key bearish. I think we should take a look at what I was saying is we could gap up because some of these data that's going to come out before the market could definitely affect us. But let's talk about SPY really quick. So I think short term we're still a little bit bullish, and that's just because I go to the 4-hour one, the 4-hour time frame, and we're still holding this uptrend right here pretty nicely. So as long as we hold, and we can see today we came down to this wick and it bounced off. So I think as long as we still hold above like 395, 396, and obviously in 393, as long as we don't break 393, we're still going to be bullish, and things could continue going. But the other thing that we have to consider is the data coming out tomorrow. So I'm going to go to the shorter time frame. This is going to be a 15-minute, so this will give us a few candles to look at tomorrow. And so on the short term, like I said, 393, if we basically break underneath here, then things are going to get pretty scary, because we could start filling out some of those gaps back here. So this huge gap that we have down here, I think there'll be some panic coming in for that. And so data will probably gap ups up, I think maybe like 5 points. So we could go like 405, or we could come down to 393. So tomorrow I'd be looking at 393, 405 possibly. These will be the ranges that the data could move us for. Yeah. So trends, what we got trends here is downtrend here. So we're still bearish here on a shorter time frame, and then we also have this here ascending support, which we were respecting, that we broke under. So shorter time frame, we're bearish. So I would say like this area right here, we have this area to work with right here, as that would be considered bearish until we get back above this resistance. Then we could possibly reclaim this support here, and then I think we'd be bullish. So this is the area to the potential downside, and then to the upside we have like this area up here, that once we start getting back above these prices, we can continue going upwards, because I think on a bigger time frame we're still bullish, right? So there's like a little bit of downside, but overall trend is still on the upside. You guys, let me know what you guys think. But now I'm gonna take some ticker requests. If anybody has ticker requests and stuff, then I can definitely take a look at those, give you guys my ideas, my predictions, my input. Obviously it's not going to be correct, or not everything that I say is financial advice, so just consider that. But I do have a few that I want to talk about. Obviously Nvidia is always one that I'm trying to get out of, trying to play. It's still in an upward trend. That's what is making me mad, because I have puts. But we are starting to see some weakness finally come in. We got some downtrend here, and we filled the gap. So just depending on data, honestly, we see the MACD finally crossing for real, and then we have bearish momentum. So things are starting to look to the downside now for Nvidia, and this is the main level that I'm watching here, which I basically just basically touch the wicks there and supports. So if we can break under this, oh man, I'm gonna be happy, because we can finally start seeing a reversal, change in trend. You can see every time it comes to these supports, it just bounces. So this is the next support that we've had, this diagonal support, and then finally we can start seeing a downtrend. If we can break under here, I would say things will, by tomorrow things are going to be too late, because I think we'll gap up or gap down based on data. Everything, like I said, comes out an hour before market opens, so at this point we're basically locked in. But I am excited for this one. There's another one I want to play to the upside possibly, and that's going to be Microsoft. So I just looked at this one. We were talking about this one a few days ago, not on the channel but in the Discord and stuff, and wish we would have took it, because it was basically consolidating. I think it was like here, it was on Thursday we were talking about it, and it had the downtrend here, a support here, and then it broke out. So obviously I probably would have sold before the day ended, so I wouldn't have caught this bigger move, but it still had a nice opportunity from what was it, 247 to maybe 250. I think that's what we were looking at. It might have been closer to the day. I think we may have just talked about this actually. This is on the 1 hour, so no, we were talking about this area here actually. So this is what we were talking about on Discord. It was consolidating here, and then it would have broke out. So I wouldn't have caught this big move, but it should have been nice to catch that bottom end. Oh well. I think this is bullish though. Microsoft, it seems to be holding strong. It closed green on a SPY like Fed decision rate decision day. And if you go to a bigger time frame, it looks like a cup and handle. Now it could be a cup and handle fail break. So we have a cup and handle here, and then it looks like it broke out already, but it's looking like it's trying to get back underneath maybe like 255. I think if it goes back under 250, 255, then we would be bearish and we could come back down definitely. But it does look like a cup and handle here, so somewhat bullish, I think. Cup handle here, right? And then it could break out. That's if like the market ignores everything completely. Also, like a bigger time frame, it looks like a big inverse head and shoulders, doesn't it? Low key somewhat. So you have like a shoulder here, little baby weird head. I don't think it goes all the way out there, but maybe like here and then here and then here. So somewhat of a head and shoulders, I think. It's just weird, huh? It is weird. That's crazy. So it looks bullish. I think if it is going to be an inverse head and shoulders, then it would at least want to retouch like 265, 267, which it kind of almost already touched it, but it could retouch that again. I don't know. So I like this chart, and it's going to definitely be on the top of the list for option opportunities there. What's the other one I was looking at? Square is definitely interesting. Let me take a look at it. So this one doesn't it has a gap down here that you can play to the downside, but it doesn't look bad to the upside either, because it's in an uptrend right now, and then it does look like a potential double bottom here, like a retest here, and then possibly we could retest the highs right here, which is like 75. So what's up, Saul? Yo, Microsoft. Yeah, what you think about Microsoft? So those are the ones that I'm looking at. What you guys want me to look at? Any other ones? Let me know. You gonna jump in the stream or what, Trippy? Since we don't have any ticker requests right now, we're gonna we're gonna look at options flow here. And yeah, I already looked at Microsoft, brother. Hey, what's up, Travis? I don't know, man. I don't know what's up with gold. I'm bearish on gold, but you think it's going to the moon? Damn. I love to eat and watch the stream. You crazy, bro. That's trippy right there. He's got the backup account, the burner account. Wait, you're bullish on gold or you bearish on gold? I don't really know how I feel about gold. I guess it's looking bullish, huh? Dang, I missed it. I missed the moon trip. I didn't get my moon tickets. I thought I would be bearish on it though. What do you think about Powell? Gold to 50K? Wow. Is this the right ticker though? I don't want to get the wrong ticker on here, because there's another one, right? This one, the trust. You better trust fund. 1.8K per ticket. Sheesh. Damn, that's true. I don't have the diamond hands. Got a lot of paper hands around here. A lot of paper hands. Gotta take the profits, right, Trippy? Profits are profits. Dang, that's crazy. So are we bullish on gold then? Because I thought the dollar was gonna go up. I think if the dollar goes up, then this goes down. The dollar actually has been coming down. I think it is at the near the bottom though, honestly. Not gonna lie. I think it's near the bottom. I think maybe one more down day. What you guys think? Like down here. Man, I'm surprised seeing you in here, Travis. You never show up. What's up with that? You must be bored right now. Cause you know. What is it, Wednesday night? Oh shoot, I got some shows I gotta catch up on. So I'll probably stream for like an hour, and then I gotta go catch my shows. Yep, but look, I think dollar's near the bottom, so we should be seeing some reversal soon. The MACD's crossing over on the daily. Momentum's still not there. People just waiting on the sidelines, I guess. But nah, I think dollar's gonna be bullish soon. It'll be something to watch for sure. I don't want to buy gold, honestly. And if Jerome Powell's gonna keep raising interest rates, people are gonna want to hold their dollar, and they're not gonna want to, right? So they're gonna want to hold their dollars, so the dollar's gonna keep going up. So with the relationship I was talking about, gold should be going down. But then once they pivot, once he pivots and they start cutting interest rates, then that's when you want to get the gold. Because then it's going to go to 1.8K per ticket, I think. I don't know. That's just my thoughts, though. And, yeah, not financial advice, because you guys know I'd be taking L's. Everybody knows I'd be taking L's. But, there's a couple other stocks I was interested in. There's one that I saw here, SoFi. You guys know about SoFi? So, SoFi, there's one, the CEO actually bought like $5 million of SoFi stock. The CEO, I'm not sure his name is. He bought like $5 million of shares today, I think. So that's very bullish. Because I actually like the stock. I don't like the debt they have. They have like 5 million, 4 million in debt, which is crazy. And they gotta pay like $1 million in like a year. So let me show you guys some of these numbers. I was in SoFi, I got out of it. I made a little bit of money, but I do want to get some, but if it comes down to like 430 again, 440. And we did talk a little bit about this one when it was down in 430. I said it was a good opportunity to buy it. But I just don't like the debt they have. They have like 4 billion in debt, and they have 1 billion or something due this year. So let me show you guys that. Balance sheet right here. They only have 1.26 billion in cash, and they have 4 billion in debt. And then just with interest rates and like, you know, pay now, pay later, whatever. Like a lot of these loans and companies, a lot of them can just go boom, you know, they can just bankrupt. So that's the thing I'm nervous about, because it's got a lot of debt. Like Carvana is probably going to go bankrupt. I'm sure you guys know about Carvana, right? This one's going to go bankrupt. Look at this is so dumb. Like 8 billion in debt, 1.3 billion in cash. Like there's no way they get out of this hole. Plus they like the demand for car sales and stuff is going to come down. So like just dead inventory. The value of the cars is going to go down. It's going to be crazy. Oh shit. You want to look at that one? What is that? Yeah, we can look at that one. I don't know. Well, let me finish SoFi really quick and we can peep that one real quick. I was just going to show you guys, like, I like SoFi as a company, and I think they got some good stuff, but then they have like the crypto nonsense that maybe they weren't following regulatory stuff, and then the full balance sheet, like my guy, like where's the cash that they owe? There's a accounts other current liabilities. Where is it? Yeah, this one right here. Where is it at? Now I gotta go to quarterly. So right here, current debt, counts current liabilities. Oh, I was just in here. Total debt. I was just here somewhere. Where the fuck is it? Long-term investments. They owe money, or did they pay it off? I don't think they paid it off. Current debt is right here. This is not the right stock. It is the right stock. Current liabilities. That's crazy. I'm sure they owe money. I don't know why it's showing. They're clowning me right now. They always trying to make me look bad in front of people. Oh, what's the latest on SPF? I think you gotta hop on. Talk about latest on SFB. Isn't he going to jail? He's doing like 100 years. Let's look at SCGY. What is this? Siemens? Dang. I haven't heard of this one yet. I haven't heard of this company. What do they do? Let me look at what they do. Technology. Oh shit, okay. Do your thing, 21, do your thing. Let me go to their website. What do they do? We're gonna stay on Siemens. It's a German, or what is this? German company? Interesting. Oh, dude, this is probably, I know what this is. I know what this is. I see what you're saying. It's bullish. Whoa. What they did, they did good on performance, or what? Let me look at the earnings. Wow, booming. So earnings, $1.68. Oh no, this is the reported 173. Estimate they beat, and then revenue they beat. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is a good company to work for, I think. It must be a good company. This is bullish, brother. Good pickup. Good pickup. Good pickup. It hasn't built like this trend yet, so we could have a small minor pullback. But yeah, broke out of the downtrend. Looks like it's gonna be forming. I mean, I think and target 78 for real, if you're gonna ask me. But no, this is a strong company, I think. They might be stingy with the incentives and stuff, but I don't know. I don't follow this one actually. BBW strong. You want to hop on Trippy and do the SPF interview? Should we cover SPF? SBF. Let's look up some news on SBF. SBF sentence. Let's look that up because you know he's going to jail. 115 years in prison for FTX. Wow. 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 You guys think he snitch? You think he snitch on everybody else or no? FTX co-founders SPF could be sentenced up to 115 in prison. Behind bars, brother. He was arrested on Monday at Bahamas. We covered that actually in Discord, you know. It's unlikely he will face maximum possible, even if he is found guilty. So I think if he just comes clean, but he doesn't talk about other people, he might just do time. But if he exposes everybody, then he's gonna get stabbed in jail or something. I don't know. Maybe that's a little aggressive for YouTube. But yeah, he's behind bars right now. Look at this. Wow. I mean he's playing the what isn't he playing the what's that called? Where you don't know better, you have medication illness or something. I like that other one though. Wow, BBY. Wow. Wow, Trippy. He's been on point actually. Trippy's been talking about this one for a minute. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Yeah, this one's good. Look, it's got the trend right here. We just following on target. Yep. Yep. So what is wrong with this one? Is it just gonna squeeze or what? What's up with this one? What's the story, Saul? You gotta talk to me. We could look up some options. By the way, if you guys want to sign up for Unusual Wells, I have my link in the description, affiliate link, and you can save 5%. And it helps out my channel, you feel me? Some tough times right now, brother. But now let's look at some flow. The kiddos love the teddy bears. Hey, he's not lying though. Christmas is up. Christmas is coming. They gotta get the Christmas shopping done. We're gonna look at BBW, see if there's any money going in for it. Actually, I'm gonna clear all the filters because I don't want to be biased on anything. Let's do like 15K and see if there's any options. There's a lot of calls coming in at 12.55, 20K, and then these are for what? Is this it? 1750? These are in the money. These are already in the money. So this one doesn't really get much options, I don't think. So not a good example to show off the new platform, but we can still look at a couple other metrics. Let's look. The kiddos do love the teddy bears though. Not gonna lie. You think they've been good for Christmas? Open interest changes. I like to go to Greeks here. Greeks. And then we're gonna scroll on down here to the max pain for this week is 1750. Whoa. All the way down here for some reason. Let's go to the weekly real quick. So something might happen to this thing. It just might go boom. I don't know why people want to drop it down to 750. Oh, there's like a lot of expirations this week actually. So that's the max pain. It doesn't always come true, but that's like where most of the calls would expire worthless and most of the puts would expire worthless. Like this is like that sweet spot for market makers. But I was going to say we could go to open interest. Open interest actually down here by strike. There's a lot of open interest on 17s. It looks like the open interest, everybody's looking at 17 calls for some reason. There's no puts. There's no downside, but everybody's either buying calls down in 1750 or selling calls down in 1750. But I don't know what's up with that. Yeah, everybody's looking at the 1750s for some reason. That was actually what we saw over here, right? Yeah, we saw the 1750s here. But see, if they're selling these, then that means that they're taking credit for these. So they expect it to close under 1750. or they're just buying 1750s expecting more upside. It's hard to tell because the spread was 890 to 9, and then from 890 to 920, they always got executed at near the mid, kind of the, yeah, my bad. BT, so what are we gonna hold BBBY or BBW or what? Are we holding this one? It looks overbought though, doesn't it? Like it's all the way up here, brother. I think it might want to come back down to 20, I think. But I don't know. This is on like a weekly chart, so I don't know. BTAI, you also called this one. You be calling the bangers, brother, not gonna lie. Yup. When did you call this one? Back at 15? It's already up more than 30%. 25%. Wow. This one still has room, I think. You're right. You're right. It probably goes all the way up to 20. From 19 to 12, bro. Whole dollar. Come on now. But no, it can retouch the highs, about 24, 25. But let's just say 23, because there's like some consolidation here. Like 22. I'll give it 22. Wow. Here's some of the ones that I was interested in yesterday. I'm just, bro, you be calling out plays. That's what's so funny. Jump on the VC, brother. Get in on this. Docu Lotto call. Oh no. Oh, we did do this. My picks. Docu Lotto calls for beat up. We did do this one actually. Docu. Where was it? Yeah, for earnings. We talked about this one, brother. Come on now. You know this. We were like at 42, I guess, and then it went up. Yeah, good times, good times. Game GME calls based on consolidation. Oof. That one didn't work out nicely, actually. Well, yeah, what we were talking about was consolidation for like a month or two. Well, actually 3 months. Just consolidation, no movement. So we knew the move was coming. We just didn't know which direction. Yeah. I think this is a good support though, isn't it? It's like $20. Like they got a lot of apes in here. Still hodling. Some of which are like been here since like 2021, 2020. Brody, you gonna join the VC? I just joined the VC. To be honest, bearish for tomorrow. Mullen running whenever SPY goes down. Is that facts? Is that confirmed? I'm gonna see if it's confirmed or not. Let me get off these trends for a second. Change the mood, you know? This is Mullen. We're gonna add SPY. Add the correlation. Also, my link to TradingView is down below. You get $30. Yes, sir. If you want to sign up, you get access to all these tools. Yes, sir. There is no correlation with this. Actually, we can use unusual wells for correlation. Let's do correlation. Since you want to act like that. Correlation dashboard on unusual wells. Let's peep it. But we're going to add Mullen. Then we're going to add SPY. And we're going to look at the correlation. So a higher score shown in red means the stock performs very similar, while a lower score into blue, -1, means the stocks inverse of each other. So it looks like they correlate similarly, not inversely. I think the thesis is wrong, so but yeah, because when this one goes down, the SPY goes down. When this one goes up, 80%. So like the number there. What do you guys think? Am I crazy? All right. But I do like Mullen. I think they just had really good news today. They're actually up. That's cap. Yeah, that's cap. Let me see if I can find the cap. I got you, brother. 1 second. No cap. No cap. I was gonna say, Mullen had good news today. Maybe I should have made that the title of this video. Mullen gap up. Yeah, they're like holding at 25 cents now. I remember when this was $1. I think they could go up all the way to 33 actually. What you think? And that kind of backs up some of this right here. This is this resistance now. So somewhere around here, 31, 33 maybe. Yeah, it's got resistance there. And then it's got the horizontal resistance there. I see you. This could be the squeeze play. How's the short interest on this one actually? Let's go to unusual whales. Look at that. Unusual whales. Where's the short stuff? I forgot the shorts. Are the shorts still here? I know the retail hasn't left, brother. I know retail's still holding. We're gonna go to short data. We're gonna go to Mullins, peep it out, see what the short interest is looking like. All right, short volume is right here. So it is picking up towards the end of this month. Last month, there was like nobody interested in this all of August and June. Total volume here. Wow, bro never sold a share. For AMC or for Mullen? Because remember, AMC is still the squeeze play. This is some data available. So it looks like people are shorting this actually. Like you have 200,000 shares available to short. Now you're down to 15,000 shares available to short. Everything. That's right. You got the meme portfolio. You got a full meme portfolio stashed. BBBW, Mullen. Which one was the other one? AMC. I can't remember if you have. Look at the fails to deliver, brother. Yeah, this is the squeeze place right here. Yeah, no cap, no cap. Damn, bro. You must be with your dad and Scooby right now because you ain't joined the VC. Scooby alright? He's gonna be alright. He needs to hunt for us when we go to the bunker. Wow, MTLLP don't even show up on my charts no more? It doesn't? Did you hit the like button? Because maybe sometimes that's why it doesn't show up. I think you have to hit the like button. Let me see if I can see it really quick. Oh, there it goes. Look, see, you hit the like button. You gotta hit the like button, brother. Wait. MTLLP, this is not even it no more, brother. I thought it was meta materials. I thought MTLLP. Isn't that it? Let me look it up on Google Finance. Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, Google Finance. MTLLP. It don't even show up, brother. Did it get delisted? Let me look. I think you spelled it wrong. Bro, come on now. You clowning me right now. Oh look, this is crazy. We know these guys. The fucking Alta traders. Atlas people. Zach Morris, PJ Mackley. Yeah. So they were pumping meta? Is that what happened? Is this why this thing went up? Come on, brother. You had the wrong ticker. It's MMT what? I forgot. Yeah, you forgot the ticker. I forgot the ticker too. It's MMTLP. I can't even see it on here actually. It's Madison Materials now. They changed their name. Did this get delisted or what? Wow. Wow, bro. We're doing way too much right now, huh? We need to slow it down. Stock getting deleted today? Wow. Is metamaterial stock getting deleted today? Today is the previously scheduled day for stocks to be canceled. Today is the day that Meta previously announced trading would be canceled. Does not appear. Oh, so that's what happened, brother. Did you have shares on this? Because you don't have them anymore, it looks like. I think they're probably like share dividend or something. Last Friday, FINRA announced that it would halt trading of the preferred shares earlier than expected, shocking across the board. The agency cited halt 3 extraordinary events. So did you have these shares? Because they're halted, brother. They're delisted. When already halted, they're now wondering when the stock will be taken off the market. Let's get into the details. Previously announced shares would be canceled December 13. A lot of stuff happened on the 13th, actually. Like I had to go to the dentist on the 13th. What else? We had Sang Bank Friday, we had CPI, we had a lot of stuff. It was a busy day yesterday, honestly. Oh, I got an Instagram message notification. 2 unread messages notification. We're gonna leave them like that for now. Yeah, so December 13 was a busy day, brother. December 13 had a lot going on for metamaterials too. I told you bearish on CMG. This is Chipotle, brother. I mean, I'm bullish on the food though. Even though they've been capping on the price. It's like $8 now. Almost $10. Yes, sir. You're bearish on Chipotle though? It's only down $10. I'm bullish on this one, honestly, still. Because I think they're like McDonald's. They're going to still do good. McDonald's been eating, bro. No pun intended, but they've been doing good. Yeah, because a lot of people are recession and everything. We're going to keep going up. We're going to go to McDonald's a lot. And this looks like it's going to break out again, honestly. Yeah, it looks like right here on the daily. It's got the pin right here forming. It looks like it's retesting it right now. Right, so it's coming down to retest it. If it holds this like trend here, then it's going to keep going up, I think. What do you guys think? Everybody left. Nobody have any ticker request? I think I did a horrible job today. So for people rewatching this, I'm sorry. Yeah. I did listen to that new Drake album though, and that new Metro Boomin album. Actually, I've been playing them a lot, heavily actually, a lot. So we're gonna close that ticker out. We're gonna go back to the short data. Let's actually get focused, y'all. Let's get focused. Let's go back to the real stuff. Live hot chains. GTII Lu. Yeah. Actually, Lu is spreading FUD on this one, I thought, no? Wow. This is not it though. GTII, that's not it. Is it? It's this one? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this one's spreading FUD, bro. Pump and dump. You think SEC is gonna catch him or what? It's over, brother. Like, look at the back holders on this. $5. Wow, paid chill for real. No cap. Yeah, this is nasty. Like, once it started breaking this trend, you already knew it was time to get out. Right there. Right here. About $3. It was time to get out, bro. Like, cut the losses. Speaking of losses, I don't know how to cut them, so I wouldn't have been able to get out anyway. Let me, let's go back to flow. Let's do some real heavy DD right now. We're in the hot live tickers. Looking at volume ratio with open interest, 35 days. And we're not going to include this expiration week because, I mean, we've got like 2 days until they expire. It's just too much noise. And then we're going to go, do you guys want to look at calls or puts? You guys bearish, right? So we're going to look at puts. So let's look at some put activity. KMX, what is this? This is CarMax, I think. Yeah, CarMax. Ooh. So it came off. Yeah, it looks bullish, honestly. It came down to that support and now it's bouncing back up. But I don't want to be bullish on the automotive industry. Are you guys bullish on the automotive industry? It looks bullish, honestly. What do you guys think? Page Shield. Yeah, he'd be like that. What's the next pump and dump for him right now? What's he talking about? I would say this is going to try to go back up here, honestly. Another $3. And CarMax is probably going to be the only survivor out of the automotive thing. Like the vending machine kind of selling cars kind of thing. Carvana's going to go bust, I think. Because Carvana had the balance sheet bad, but CarMax is profitable, I think. I mean, they're going to get hit too, I think, but they got 10 billion market cap income. They're making 33 billion each year basically. And oh, hold on, brother. 19 billion. Wow. A lot of, oh, they might go bust actually. They might go bust too. Hold on, brother. Yeah, CarMax are gonna go bust. They have 20. They owe 20 billion. Is that right? That's cap. That must be cap right now. No way. No way. We're gonna go to quarterly. We're gonna go to balance sheet. Total assets 26 billion. Total debt 19. They no cap. They're not capping. They grew their debt by 17% last quarter. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Wow, they said more money, more problems, bring on the problems. And this one's gonna have a lot of problems. Wow. Cosmos lose play right now. Is it? Okay, so that makes sense why we're getting puts on CarMax now. Oh, but this is like way in the money though. Like $2 out the money. They expired next. That's not bad though. I'm not gonna lie. CarMax, I'm gonna look at, yeah, I'm adding CarMax to my put activity. Actually, we're gonna do a new list. This is from yesterday, by the way. We're gonna delete that. CarMax on the list for sure. We saw the 65s for next week and 2000 volumes, stupid bearish. Oh wait, look, it's a multi-leg. It's a multi-leg, so it's part of a spread. So there's part of a spread. We'll look at Cosmo in a little bit, big dog. Saul. Let me just look at this one really quick because I'm curious to see what spread they got. Damn, the internet. Is there anything else other than Cosmo? Yeah, look at this. Internet's busted right now. Damn. They say more money, more problems. Look at these problems. Got no internet. My brother got a new Pixel 7. Hey, I see you. I've had a Pixel before. They're nice. They're good phones. They're loyal. He said I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna stream and I'm gonna set up the new phone. I need a new phone, I'm not gonna lie. I got like a 2013 phone right now. But times are tough right now. You see the inflation? The Nexus? Swear. I think Nexus was the old Pixel, wasn't it? I think that Nexus was the old Pixel, brother. You're not playing Dota no more or what? This thing busted up on me, so we're gonna recap on that later. Just relaunch it again. I think the Nexus was like the founding father, you know, Google. And then here we go. Okay, here's the 2000 floor, bearish spread, blue attack. Oh, they're doing a long J's lizard, which I've never heard of this option strategy. But it expires next week. It looks like they're buying $65 puts. They're selling $56 puts. And then they're buying $75 calls. I don't know what this means, honestly. I've never heard of a long jade lizard, actually. It's new for me. So we're just gonna scratch CarMax from the list, honestly. Let's just scratch it all together because I've never seen that. I don't want to learn that strategy right now. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, let's look at Cosmo. Maybe I should spam Cosmo in the chat so we can get the algorithm going because that's hype right now. Help the algorithm. This actually, what's his name? Christmas Man was talking about this one. He's not in here no more. He left the Discord for some reason. I think because we weren't calling out plays, we were just talking about food and being bears. Yeah. This doesn't look bad. Honestly, it looks good. I think this is the trend people are fighting right now. The short ladder attack. Lou attack? What do you mean Lou attack? You think he's gonna get this one pumping again, or he's gonna sell it off? That's crazy. I can't believe Lou actually pumped and dumped GTII. He pumped and dumped AMC too. But you can't hate the man though, you know? I mean, you can't hate the man, you know what I'm saying? How does he say it? What's up? I don't know how he says it. It's transfatandized, I think. That's what he says. He be capping sometimes though. Lou is an AMC legend. You gotta think about, when you talk about AMC legends though, you gotta talk about the Ape Father. Nah, that's hell no. That guy's trash, honestly, not gonna lie. Isn't he from like, he's from Boston. I hate Boston, honestly. And no, he's from Jersey. He's a Jersey man. He's a family man. You come here on the day of my wedding, my daughter's wedding. New York? No, Lou is in New York. The Ape Father's in Jersey. He sounds like a Jersey guy. Think so. He got here on the day of my mother's wedding. How does he do it? Yeah, what am I doing? I'm just filling time right now, honestly. Damn, it's good to have some viewers in here though. I mean, we got 6 viewers in here and just, we ain't doing nothing, but we just chatting it up. This wasn't supposed to be any actual, I mean, people are gonna hate the playback on this one for people are gonna hate the playback when they see it's a 2-hour stream and they got like 10 minutes of knowledge. All the knowledge on this video is definitely in the beginning, because I dropped the bombshells here. Right here, market news, live updates, baby, stocks sink after Fed hikes. Powell gives hawkish outlook. That's facts though. So everything came in line, but it's just not enough, brother. Like, while it was good inflation come down last 2 months, Fed needs to see more signs for longer time frames. Inflation's under control before a full pivot. That's the big facts right there. That's the most knowledge you're gonna get from this video today, fellas. But now we're looking at charts, and charts are in the air. These are hit or miss. We're looking at square, heavy consolidate. Oh, we're looking Cosmo. Are we bullish on Cosmo or bearish? So I think it's too early to tell, honestly. I think we're fighting a trend right now, downtrend, and we got the uptrend right here too, but we got a ways to go, man, before we can we're bullish before the next move, you know? Maybe a consolidation phase. You bearish? I would be more bullish, honestly, because this downtrend where people were shorting it, it finally got out of that trend. You know what I'm saying? And you can see it better on yeah, I would be bullish, honestly. 4 hour does a very nice job, actually, because you got this uptrend. Yeah, you got this nice uptrend here, downtrend right here, right? So we're not out of the woods yet, the woodworks or whatever. I would say maybe Friday you get or maybe tomorrow, actually. You could get a big move tomorrow. You're not wrong though. I think if it breaks underneath here, then it's over. It's GG. It's coming back down to 15. But then if it starts breaking out of this downtrend, this selling pressure, then it can start going up. 45 cents maybe. I think it's got opportunity here for sure. Bearish momentum though. So it might just get rejected on the MACD and keep going down. Is the homie Travis still in here? I had a question for you, my fellow brethren. Brethren, are you still in here? Travis. Oh, he's gone. He left. Well, it was good. He tuned in for a little bit. What's next on the chopping block, fellas? So we got Cosmos. What's the next, Trippy? You got the meme list. You got the meme list. Yeah, we're gonna make a new heading for Saul Trippy's picks. How about that? Trippy's meme list. Yeah, I think that fits. think that fits right there. How do you bolden this up? Right there. Bow. Picks. Alright, we got Cosmos. We also had no, GTI is dead, brother. GTII is dead. Metamaterials, we didn't look at the chart actually. Metamaterials. Are you bearish on metamaterials or bullish? I would say we're bearish, right? I think it's bearish. I think it's just huge sell-off, consolidation, and then it's gonna come back down to 75. Yeah, bearish. Yeah, we're bearish on this. No uptrend no more. It broke the uptrend here. Yeah, this is a good short, huh? What do you think? Coming back down to 94 cents. This is a good move actually, right here. Like I would wait for like 150. If it doesn't hold 150, and you can take it down about 35%. 35% to the downside, I think. Does this one have options? This one might have options. I might have to peep that actually. All right, that's gonna be my play, y'all. And no, I'm kidding. We're gonna leave that one on Trippy's picks here. What were my picks? I was saying, you already know. I gotta go with Crotera, natural gas, baby. Crotera is always a play. I just buy shares on this one though. I'd be swinging them. Right now I can't because I got flagged. My account got flagged. But when I can, I usually buy some shares and I swing them. I just got flagged SEC. But this is a good play. I think there's one more opportunity back up to 25.5. But we're gonna wait and see. This is my go-to play. You know, whenever it doesn't work out with somebody, you just go back to your ex. This is the one. You just go back. You feel me? So Katera and oh, SoFi, it should be bussing. Let me see, SoFi. So I like oh, and yeah, I like SoFi. Not true? What you mean? You gotta elaborate, brother. You gotta elaborate. You giving me 2 sentence response. I like SoFi because it could be an inverse head and shoulders here. So if it comes back down to like 450, 430, I might pick up some shares. I'm not gonna do options because this thing does not move. And I got burned on options already with this one, so. But the downtrend's broke. We broke the downtrend, so that's bullish. I mean, we've been in a downtrend for like, this is on the daily, so definitely consider that. But maybe like 2 weeks, no, half a month, we've been on a downtrend. Finally recovering, finally starting to find higher lows. So I do like SoFi. First good green day actually. Like we had a gap up and it sold off. So this was the day to buy, honestly. But I like this one. I think the upside, if you want to play it safer, wait to see if we can hold this level up here. And then yeah, we've got upside to like $5, which doesn't look like a lot, but when you're trading $4 stocks, it's like a 10% move, a 7%, 8% move. So I low-key kind of like SoFi. Plus they had good news. The bearish side to it is they got a ton of debt and they don't there's no insight of interest rate stoppage or pivots or whatever, so they're gonna get hammered on that, and people won't pay their loans or debts and it could just mess them up, right? But they could have a buyout opportunity too, so that's the upside. So SoFi is my play. Yeah, SoFi is my play. There was Microsoft, bro, come on now. Yeah, Microsoft's my play for real. And Nvidia, now that I think about it, Nvidia. How are you feeling about Microsoft? For sure, should be a good play. Nobody's got any more requests, dang. So it's over just like that. Well, I think we did a good job. We streamed for 54 minutes. I think we did pretty good. We were gonna do hot chains options. Square 71 puts. So we're in the put section right now, so we're gonna look at the red side. So CarMax, WSM, what is this? What is WSM? Let's peep the WSM. Williams Sonoma. What is this? This Gage's retail home products operates. So they had bad earnings, it looks like. Yeah, this one might be a put opportunity, honestly. Yeah, I think so. 110 is looking like the lower side. How much is that? 5% move, okay. What's the options looking like? They got the what was it? I just lost it. 116 puts for next week at $3, and they spent $200,000. Oh, it's part of a spread though. You see the multi-leg, so I don't like the multi-leg stuff, so we're gonna ignore it. Uber, very bearish for some reason. $27 puts, 160K. Let's look at Uber. Uber might be a good play. Damn. Oh, we had a head and shoulders back here. Y'all remember those days? Damn, that's crazy. See how much we've grown. See how much we've lost since then. I think this is getting ready for a move, honestly. So I think United Airlines just like raised their guidance and stuff. So this one might be getting ready for a move too. And the reason I talk about United Airlines is because of travel and stuff. When people travel, people gotta Uber around, you know. Yeah, this one is gonna be a good play, honestly. I want to say this looks kind of bullish. Obviously, we're gonna wait for that uptrend, I think. Yeah, yeah. And look, even on this shorter time frame, this thing is consolidating. Just finding supports here, resistance. Where's my weapon at? There's my weapon right here. Yeah, right there. Saru, you for real not gonna join the stream? You gotta set up the phone, you gotta eat, and you gotta feed Scooby. Or did he leave? I think he left all together, brother. Yeah, I think this is getting ready for a move. I don't know which direction. It looks like it's probably gonna break up to the upside. So I would probably be looking at this to the upside. I might just look at shares for this one, actually. What we're gonna do is duplicate this here and just look at Uber options. So right now we've got this filter to exclude Apple and Tesla, but now we're gonna do it to, if we can get it to load, because my internet's slow. Oh fuck, I gotta cut the stream short soon, actually, because it's about to be time for my show. I gotta go watch a couple things. I gotta eat dinner. What should I have for dinner, you think? Might just... Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? You in here or what's up? Yeah. What's up? Good evening. You got some DD for us? That's true though. What were you saying? And you were being really loud in the chat, brother. What's going on? You said Lewis Schilling or what? He got out. Yeah. And now they're back home. Yeah. Yeah, so you're bearish. Without streaming? Really? That's crazy. Wow. So what happened? He's arrested, you think, or what? Oh yeah. I thought he wasn't getting paid by YouTube. No, I never believed him. Damn. hmm Where where are you getting these plays from? I need sources. No, because you don't do any DD. I know you just copy paste. That's all the trippy alerts are. Copy paste. I'm not stupid. Come on now. What do you think? I went too far? Wow, Trippy got mad, bro. Come on, I'm trolling. He got mad though, actually. Let me add him real quick. Yeah, he got mad for some reason. Damn, you caught that live? Damn. He disappeared, y'all. He said GME is the play though. Do y'all want to look at the play for GME? Hold on, this bro playing right now. Y'all want to know the plays, right? This bro straight disappeared. That's crazy. Hey, bro, you gonna play Dota? You gonna have the stream on the side, giving the good DD or no? Mm. All right, that's good enough. I think we'll start with 5%. Oh no, again? Wow, bro. Did you turn off the stream? It says we lost the viewer, bro. I think that's it. Uh, 3, bro. Come on. They want another DD though. All 3 of them. Hmm. Why is that? Leave a bad taste in their mouth. Hmm. Right. That's right. Hmm. Yeah. Really? Just take it out, brother. Put it in a cold, hard wallet. What do you think? Over. For real. Yeah. Sometimes. But sometimes they don't want to believe us, but it comes true, you know? There's not much you can do. Yeah. Tell them about your BBW play. You up right now? Before. Well, AMD would be down right now. You think so? Think so? What ego? Credibility. To the channel. Yeah, not gonna lie. Uh, well, it's a small group though. It's a small group though. We got four. We got 4 subscribers. Mm-hmm. Exactly. That was a good episode. It was it was about Adam Aaron. About his tweet. Mm-hmm. I didn't mean it in that way, bro. I thought we were cool enough to troll a little bit, but you got in your feeling. But it wasn't anything specific, brother. Now you going why are you being like that? My bad, dog. Don't get mad. You good? See, now I'm always the bad guy. When is it out? You already got the material? You already got the material lined up? And you still gotta gather a couple things. Yeah, gotta gather a couple things still, I think. So, so we talked a little bit about your place. BBW, are you done with that one or still holding that one? How many shares you got in this one? Is it shares or options? What are you playing with this one? Yeah, shares are safer, right? Because when you trade options, you usually lose. Like, just not you in specific, I'm just saying market makers, take the money. You know what I'm saying? I think this one's breaking out, bro. Strong still. Yeah, BBW. BBW, Build a Bear Workshop. Squeezing up. I would not do options on this one, though. I would do shares like Trippy's saying. Broke out of this nice resistance that we had, the resistance. Actually, it broke out of this resistance. Came here, got back bought up. I like it. It's a good one. Wow, wow, wow. Let me look at some of the other plays we got in store, which is gonna be these other ones I had on my list. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, here we go. DraftKings. So we talked a little bit about DraftKings. Let me just delete some of these. This one's just going to new lows right now. Like, the big support is definitely going to be around 350. But if we break underneath here, then you're talking about possible at least $12.50, $1. Now, it doesn't look like a lot, but this one might be interesting for sure. Then down to the 1170, possibly lower 11s. Yeah, this one's nice. All right, so let me recap. A couple plays. Nvidia, Microsoft. I'm gonna move Cortera down because it's not just ready. It's just like a safe play. SoFi is more interesting, and I'm gonna add DraftKings again. Then Cortera will be the backup play. So that looks like the plays there. Yeah, this one just broke trend, closed under trend. Like, this is just showing a lot of weakness, not gonna lie. Right here. Yep, right there. See, confirmed. Downside tomorrow. DraftKings my #1 play, actually. That's true. That's true. You bullish or bearish on DraftKings? Last thing before we wrap up the stream. Or he left. Trippy. Bearish on DraftKings. Me too. So anything you're bullish on other than BBW? Everything else is bearish? XRP. XRP. What about AMC? Is AMC done? Dead? Over? Doing the work? Yeah. There's life. There's life. Should we do a AMC specific video, you think? Like, yeah. I've been out the loop for a while, so I don't wanna come in here and like knowing like everything. So it'd be your show to run. I don't know if you want that. But we can leave that for another day. I know you gotta get on some Dota. I gotta go grab some food. So I think that's gonna wrap up the stream. What do you think? We can talk about AMC offline and just talk about it, see if we... Well, I got copyrighted last time. I didn't tell you, but I got copyrighted again. I mean, you got a freestyle. You got that first beat? You want... Alright, go ahead and send it over. You want to play it on Discord or what? You want to save it? You want to save it? Alright, save it for another one. Oh, that's gonna be hot then. It's gonna be fire. You need to find a new copyright free beat for that one then. Alright, you don't got anything else to add to the stream? Tune in for your stream. Cap. It is, brother. How are Futes looking? Can you pull up the Futes for us? Futes. Yeah, the Fute. They're up right now. Wow, they don't care, bro. They're just gonna keep buying, huh? That's crazy. Yeah. Where they're gonna... DD. When you connect the dots, though, when you connect the dots, gotta let us know. So I don't think we have any other ticket requests, so we're gonna wrap up the video with that. All right, we're signing out. You guys have a good one, and see you guys in the next stream. Please hit the like button, and hopefully you found value today. See ya. Peace.